Lower fire damper doors by removing the clip. Remove the Phillips screws on the upper half of the fan to remove the fire damper. Remove the fan blade by loosening the bolt at the top of the motor shaft. Set aside. Open the control hub using a Phillips bit. Disconnect the ground wires with a Phillips bit. Disconnect wires by removing wire nuts. Loosen flex by rotating with a wrench at the base of the motor. Pull the flex through, separating the control hub from the motor housing. The ground wires will remain connected to the motor head. Remove the bolts connecting the motor head bracket to the fan housing. Pull the motor head and brackets through the top of the fan housing. Using measuring tape, measure the distance from the top of the motor head to the motor head bracket. Mark down the distance. In this case, it is 1/2 inch. Loosen only one bolt on the motor bracket in order to slide the bracket off of the motor head. Replace the motor. Slide motor head bracket over top of the new motor. As you tighten the bolt on the motor head bracket, adjust it so that it aligns with your previous marking and measurement. Once the bracket is sitting evenly at 1/2 inch on all sides, tighten the bolt. Place the motor and motor bracket back into the fan housing, aligning the brackets with the bolt holes. Using a wrench, you can tap the brackets into place to line them up. Slide one bolt in to hold the fan in place. Continue to tap the brackets until all bolts are aligned and in place. Tighten using a wrench. Once the brackets are tightened, feed the ground wires back through the flex opening and through the flex itself. Feed the flex back through the flex opening towards the motor. Reconnect the flex by twisting it back onto the motor head. This may take some work. Reconnect ground wires using the Phillips screw. Reconnect neutral wires. Reconnect high-speed wires. Slide the fan blade back onto the motor shaft. The top of the fan blade should sit flush with the top of the motor shaft. Tighten using a wrench. Spin the fan blade to ensure that it spins freely. Place the fire damper back on the fan housing. Align screw holes and reattach using the same Phillips screws. Pull the fire damper doors into the open position and reconnect them using the clip. Your motor replacement is now complete.